Here are 10 useful English proverbs with their Hindi meanings and explanations perfect for IELTS speaking and writing to sound natural in advance. First is, actions speak louder than words. कर्म शब्दों से अधिक बोलते हैं. Explanation, what you do is more important than what you say. IELTS use, I believe actions speak louder than words, so I prefer showing my sincerity through hard work rather than promises. Second is, Rome wasn't built in a day. Rome एक दिन में नहीं बना था. Explanation, great achievements take time and effort. IELTS use, improving English fluency takes time. After all, Rome wasn't built in a day. Third is, knowledge is power, ज्ञान ही शक्ति है. Explanation, education and information give you strength and control. IELTS use, in today's world, knowledge is power because it helps people make better decisions. Fourth is, where there's a will, there's a way, जहाँ चाह, वहाँ राह. Explanation, determination always finds a solution. IELTS use, even if someone comes from a poor background, they can succeed. Where there's a will, there's a way. Fifth is, a drop in the ocean, सागर में एक बूंद. Explanation, something very small compared to what is needed. IELTS use, one day of planting trees is just a drop in the ocean compared to the effort required to fight climate change. Sixth is, every coin has two sides, हर सिक्के के दो पहलू होते हैं. Explanation, everything has both positive and negative aspects. IELTS use, social media has benefits and drawbacks, every coin has two sides. Seventh is, better late than never, देर आए दुरुस्त आए. Explanation, it's better to do something late than not do it at all. IELTS use, I started preparing for IELTS a bit late, but better late than never. Eighth is, you reap what you sow, जैसा बोओगे वैसा काटोगे. Explanation, your actions determine your results. IELTS use, success doesn't come by luck, you reap what you sow. Ninth is, the grass is always greener on the other side. दूसरे की चीज हमेशा बेहतर लगती है. Explanation, people often think others' lives are better than theirs. IELTS use, many people want to live abroad, but the grass is always greener on the other side. 10th is, every cloud has a silver lining. हर बुराई में कुछ अच्छा होता है. Explanation, there's something positive even in difficult situations. IELTS use, the pandemic was hard, but it encouraged people to value family more. Every cloud has a silver lining. Please like and subscribe.